Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. Today we are not going to be working on the boosted supercharged G35. Today we are actually going to be working on the Miata. It's getting some upgrades. Today the Miata will be getting the rest of the fully equipped LED lights on the Miata. You guys know on a previous episode we installed LasFit's rear turn signals and front turn signal. I am not kidding when I say these turn signals are brighter than my headlights. These turn signals are absolutely bright. I'm gonna be showing you guys clips. Take a look. It is crazily bright. It is crazy, man, and it's freaking awesome. It makes the Miata look a whole 100 times better. Not only did the Miata get equipped with brand new turn signals, it also got equipped with some of the brightest reverse lights, also from LasFit's auto lighting. With that being said, our headlights are no longer going to be our weak point today, because I am proud to announce today's sponsor, LasFit Auto Lighting, who was super kind to send me some of their most powerful, strong, bright LED headlights for the Miata. Now I'm excited. That being said, let's hit indoors. Let's take a look at the package that they sent us, and don't forget to give a video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the brightness. They don't only do Miatas, they equip my G35. My G35, all the LEDs have LEDs from LasFit Auto Lighting. So if you have any other car, make sure to reach out to LasFit Auto Lighting to see if they have a special light bulb just for you. So here it is, the LED LasFit. Check them out. We're gonna go ahead and open up the package. These are also the rear license plates lights for the Miata. I'm still unsure about this. I was taking a look at my Miata. I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to be equipped. I think my Miata is missing some cables or some sort of pieces to assemble this. I'm not sure. We'll keep you updated on this part. So let's go ahead and open it up. Open up the package. It's got some nice stickers, a manual, and check these out, man. Crazy awesome. This reminds me of the LED conversion that I have on my G35. They sent me some big LED light bulbs just like this. And one thing I really like about their LED bulbs is that, I don't know if you guys can see it, but engraved or right there, it has LasFit Auto Lighting right next to the LED. And all their light bulbs, they have a LasFit stamp on there, and it just makes it look more awesome. It makes it look more quality. It already feels quality, so I'm super excited to install this. Let's go outside to the Miata and let's go ahead and install them. Alrighty, well, you guys know the ritual. Let's hop in the car, show you the before. Let's see the projection of the headlights right now, and then we'll show you the after, compare them, and see if they are brighter. Okay, here you go. Take one for the headlight. That's how bright they are. These are our high beams. Now it can be hard to see the projection since we're only limited to the fence here and there. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and back it up and project it to the street so you can see how far the projection goes. Street, here we go, take one. That's how much it projects. You can see the trailer over there to your left. It's not that much, it's not that lit. It's only straightforward. It seems like it doesn't even reach the black car. Here's our high beams. A little bit brighter, not too much. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the headlight installation. For the Miatas, it's gotta be probably the easiest installation I have ever come across with. If you guys come from this angle, from the headlight, follow this track right here, you guys will see that plug exactly right there. That is the plug for the headlight. I wasn't quite able to do it with two hands, but there's a plug. You squeeze it from the side, so you can see right here. There's a button right there on the side, and then there's another button there on the side. You just gotta squeeze it like that and just remove it, pry it off, and there it is. Alright guys, so now that we removed the headlight out of the car, you guys can see that it's stuck to this rubber grommet. This rubber grommet is important because this seals your headlight. If you do not install this back on, a lot of water will get in there, a lot of moisture, and your headlight will get foggy. So this is what this is for. So we just pretty much pop this out just like that, and you can reuse this again. Now this is going to be a little issue because this one's a bit bulky, but what you do is simply twist this to the left a little bit, lefty goosey, and then you just kind of wiggle it off, and then you can take this off. And there's like little secure tabs right there that secure this in place. We're just going to put that to the side, and we're just going to pass this rubber grommet through just like so, and then you just put this back on. And at the very end, you should have something like this. Here's the metal piece that's stuck on there, your LED poking out through the inside, and then this just poking out through the outside. And then all you gotta do is just plug it back in, and then we should have a LED inside our Miata. Okay guys, so now we got the lamp secured over here. Now we just grab this plug right here, grab our sensor right here, and we just connect both of them. Alright, let's check out our new LED lamp. Alright guys, she's gonna do the honors. This is gonna be the LED. This is the halogen one. Oh damn, you can see it right away. You can see the light inside that, but there's nothing around it. But you can see how the light emits around the headlight on this side. That's how you know it's a bit brighter from the video perspective. In person, you can see it's clearly brighter. Here's from a driver's perspective. Here we go. The left side is the new one, and the right side is the halogen one. You see how the white is a lot bigger projection than the right side. You see it's like very, very small. Alright guys, I just finished installing both of them now. Let's go ahead and check it out. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. That right one looking kinda Okay guys, we're gonna give that a second try. We had to adjust the LED bulbs. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now it's a lot more even. You can see it's a lot whiter. It's a cooler white. And I think it projects a lot better, but we won't be able to tell. Let's go ahead, back up the car, give you that same projection from the street point of view, and see how far it goes. Guys, I don't know what kind of weird thing is that. It's definitely a cooler white. It projects further. You can see the black car right there that didn't project before. Now you can clearly see it, and in person you can definitely tell it projects a lot further. You can see it till that white car all the way over there. I mean, it's a lot better projection than how it was before, 100%. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys have any questions about the LEDs, go ahead, drop a comment down below. All the items will have their links in the description of the video. Go ahead, check that out. If you need any LEDs for your vehicle, check out LasFit. They won't disappoint, I promise. With that being said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down, and if you enjoyed the content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this.